Today we were invited to this nice restaurant to make special Halloween crepes. First, we had to learn the basics. To make crepe, you need to first add eggs, sugar, pour milk and flour into a mixing bowl. You can also use an electric mixer to speed up the process. Then we're waiting for the cooking plate to heat up. We add some oil. And then this is the technique that is a bit difficult. We never was able to do it as good as this man, but you can see how it's done. And then need to fry it on both sides, and it's a special technique to turn the crepe to the other side, and voila! Then the fun parts begin with decoration. And of course, this nice restaurant is not only open for Halloween. I really recommend you to visit it. They have delicious food and great service, and it's such a friendly and inviting place. Thank you so much for having us, and thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in more places to visit in Hikkadua, please subscribe to this channel. More will come.